My name is Brian Kippen. I'm the owner and CEO of KAD Models and Prototypes.
And I'm Kacie and and I'm the COO of KAD Models Prototypes.
What we typically do is we take an engineered design and we build the actual product, whether it's just a single component or an entire assembly. And the material all depends on what the manufacturer or the engineer has specified. We work with up to 100 different materials: plastics, metals, composites. And then, we could go off and name them, but it'd turn into a boring list. Well, hypothetically, if I was going to do this, I need talent. I need to know if I can, if the location is there, and then if power is there. And then, so I sent an email to the realtor, to the town of Randolph, and also to Jeremy Carnwall up at BTC, saying like, what is your talent like at BTC? What is the zoning here? Because I've never heard of R1 or something like that, which is just I guess it's East Randolph district. That was, in California, I'm used to like M1 or for industrial or residential or things like that. So that I got my answers by the time I got to New York, as far as the talent that was available, the space, the price of the space, and then things like that.
So with RACDC, we worked with them and BCLF to get a working capital loan. So that was very helpful when we kind of reopened the shop in May and started hiring to be able to get the equipment, things that we needed, like the air compressor, which is necessary for the machines to be running.
COVID-19 did a pretty substantial impact on timeline. It did slow things down a bit, but given my eagerness to continue along, even though things were not going my way, I think that at this point, we're getting pretty close to where I wanted to be 3 months ago. So I think the big thing is just maintaining some sort of optimism and foresight into what you're doing. And it is a lot more to navigate because there's so many unknowns. But I think that one of the main takeaways is if you continue along a path and you have support, that you'll be able to get there.